Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to play Monopoly Go with two devices. So in order to do this, make sure you navigate to Monopoly Go on your first device and click on the three-lined icon at the top right side of the screen. Now you will see this page where you'll have to click on Settings and click on Manage Account. After this, you will see this pop-up where you'll have to make sure you are connected to Facebook account. As you can see, it currently says disconnect. That means I'm already connected to my Facebook. So on your first device, connect your account to Facebook. Now, if you want to play with the same account that is on this device on another device, you'll have to basically open your second device and log into Facebook with the same user credentials that I'm logged in to my Facebook on this mobile. So log into Facebook with same credentials on both of devices. After doing this, just open Monopoly Go, and for demonstration, I will disconnect this. Now, let's assume this is my second device and I'm using Monopoly Go on my second device. I will have to just navigate here by clicking this icon. Then I will see the Facebook Connect option just right here. I can click there. Now, it is instantly going to connect this account to my Facebook. When I click on Play with Friends, I'll be successfully logged in to the same Monopoly Go account that I was logged in to the previous device. So you'll be able to play your Monopoly Go with two devices by doing this. So that's the simple way to play Monopoly Go with two devices. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.